And as the technician enters the attic, you can see here that he's looking at a lot of staining, some organic growth. It's a chance it's mold, but whatever it isn't good. You can see it's dripping down onto the lights. And the spray process is real simple. It's just a simple sprayer. We moisten down any areas that has the staining, and then we let it dry. The technician will actually exit the attic while it dries. We do ask that the customer remain out of the house for 2 hours just because it can be a little bit of a strong odor, even though it's non-toxic. We'll wait a little bit. We'll get back up and kind of make sure that we're seeing what we want, which is here's the old attic stains. Then after it's applied, here is the new plywood without any stains. It's a great product and we look forward to showing it to you.